So I got some more stuff from Walmart. I'm kind of talking softly because the door to my room is cracked open, so it just feels weird to have the people hear me, I guess. And also I have a fuzzy little thing that I just sleep in. Brrr, yeah. Who's the baby? My nails are always getting hooked on something. Keep going. Oh, no, hold on. Stop moving. I was trying to fix it. Stop moving. Who's a baby? I'm trying to mama a little cute. You. Go back to sleeping. Let's go, baby. Go. Anyway, so yeah. Did you taste that? Got stuff from Walmart again. Then I ordered 2 different flavors of this. One was substitute, so I have 2 of these. So hopefully I like these. Otherwise, I have 2 bags of things I don't like. Anyway, yeah, this is Quinn creamy peanut butter filled pretzel nuggets. Try to straighten the bag out so you can see it a little bit more. Yeah, but the other one I was trying to get that they substituted was the pizzeria style. But yeah, these are gluten-free and dairy-free. So nice. Now I like creamy peanut butter. I like chunky or crunchy peanut butter. I think it's called chunky. I don't know which it is. But like we always get creamy peanut butter. And we get like the Jiffy, I believe is the brand we get. Didn't tear high. Oh, it is a big mother trucker. It is about the same size as the one on the bag. I don't even know if you can see that. But for size comparison, I threw shit. I was trying to like lean it up against my thumb and show you, but like of course that doesn't make any sense. Anyway. I tried to see if I could bite it in half and show you the inside, but you saw what happened. Sorry, my nose itched. Nice crunchy pretzel outside. The peanut butter is a little bit more on the savory side. Looks like I want to explode. But on the bright side. So how thick it is, it looks like. A little bit of salt, just dry them out. Yeah, it's giving me more like savory peanut butter almost rather than like super sweet peanut butter. You know what I mean, right? Butter. I'm not really a drinker, but I feel like this would be like a good bar snack. It's pretty good. It was like 7 out of 10, not gonna lie. I wish I could have I accidentally got 2. I guess technically it's not really an accident because obviously I ordered one and I was going to order another flavor and then substitute to the same flavor. But I got 2 things. I got this and then I substitute, so I got another one. And then I ordered like a smoothie juice thing. Not from Naked, from Bolt House. I was trying to get the chocolate one, I think. And they substituted that for a second strawberry banana one. But no. Luckily the chai one came. Because that's the one I was like, ooh, you look really good. Just the label made it really, the label made it look good. All of the bouncing ball. Yeah, I remember that was the thing. When they have like fucking sing-alongs and shit and cartoons, and you'd have to have like the lyrics with the bottom of the bouncing ball. And it would like change color as well. Because you know we're stupid and need to keep up. So so you can pay attention. Oh yeah, I don't remember how much it was, but I want to say somewhere between like $4 and $7. I'm pretty sure it was like 4 something or 5 something, but oh, she's chunky. It looks like a little pillow, chunky pretzel pillow. Really satisfying crunch. Oh yeah, I'm gonna eat like probably a whole bag. The only size I saw, I think this is like 7 ounces. I could be wrong. Sorry, I'm flattering close up. Yeah, 7 ounces. This is a 7 ounce bag. The pizzeria one I was trying to get, it was like a little boat. Was I think 4 something ounces, but yeah. I should try it. It doesn't taste gluten free. Yeah, like on Scar Chickens and bye.